Download and install software and drivers for your HP LaserJet or PageWide printer at 123.hp.com. Before installing any software or drivers, prepare the printer by turning on the printer, installing the toner or ink cartridges, and loading paper. In Windows, go to 123.hp.com/LaserJet or /PageWide, depending on your printer. Select Download, and once the file is transferred, open the application. If prompted, select Continue, Run, or Yes. Review the agreements and statements, select the checkbox to accept the terms, and then select Continue. Printers connected to the same network as the computer, connected to the computer, and in setup mode are detected. If your printer is not detected, select My Printer is Not Shown and follow the guided troubleshooter to get your printer connected. If multiple printers are detected, select your printer from the list. Select Continue. Read and respond to the on-screen instructions until the software selection screen displays. Current software and driver options for your printer display, including the software HP recommends for your configuration. Select the software and driver that best fits your needs, and then select Continue. The software downloads and then opens automatically. Read and respond to any remaining screens to install the printer software. Select Finish or Go Online to complete the installation. For faster service, more efficient support, and product support alerts, register your printer with HP.